some of the things that we're thinking about doing, and this directly, I think, will relate to additional value to users and loan officers and borrowers, is we're looking at ways to pull in other component parts of what I would call like the deal structuring process. So I mentioned earlier that like we talked about like how I used a bridge loan in a recent transaction. Going through that was like a semi mind altering experience for me, and even someone who like lives and breathes this stuff, actually going through it yourself like can really change your perspective. And there are just so many different component parts of the transaction that need to be considered when you're looking at this as like as an economics problem for a borrower, right? So I'll never not say that rates not the most important thing. I work in the rate business. Rates are the most important thing in my opinion, but there are a bunch of other things like how to leverage the equity in your home. Are there specific programs that could help you buy a home that are different than just the agency-backed mortgage, right? Are there things that need to be considered like potential impact of different taxes, homeowners insurance in the news all the time right now? When I went through the process, and again, I think I consider myself a fairly savvy person, I just said, okay, keep the homeowners insurance because I have other things with that provider. I didn't shop it. I didn't look around. I could have optimized that a little bit more. And there's these component parts that could help you structure the deal. And so we've been exploring different partnership opportunities with folks to continue to kind of help that, to set up our loan officers with the ability to structure these deals.